How to add someone on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can add someone on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to basically add someone on Telegram, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is there are two ways you could possibly add someone on Telegram. One is via your username. So if you have someone's username, you can tap the search bar from here. You can simply search for the username and then simply try to talk to that particular person and they will get added automatically. The other is via your contacts. So tap on the three lines option from the top left, then just go to this option known as contacts here. Then here you should be able to see any contacts you've added to your phone. If you want to add more contacts, just tap on this little button, make sure to add a contact, tap on create contact, and you can add them in that way. That's all it takes to add someone on Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.